Hi guys, welcome to my new channel Victory Falls. Today I'll be showing you the Apple Clone Watch which I ordered from an Instagram page. I'll be posting the page from where you can buy this product. Before that, I'll just give a review. I don't think this is you see if it's worth to buy this product or not. This is just like the Apple. This is so-called Apple Watch Series 6, which they have sent me. But if you see the watch as such looks like an Apple Watch, but the major things which is actually missing from the Apple Watch is that Apple Watch is actually a full screen, but here you can see a slight gap at the bottom. And if you see at the back also, there are no that pins which you can see in the normal this iPhone Apple Watch clone series. Here it is written as watch series 6 44 aluminum cream case like this. And here you will be the thing which is missing here is the button for lacing the straps, which you can find in the original Apple Watch, that is missing in this clone series. And other than that, you have the side buttons here and the chronos here. Okay, so let's start. I'll start. I will first switch on the watch. Okay, so I'm switching it on. Here comes the logo. It's an Apple logo watch, in fact. Okay, so the logo comes, but this is the major thing I am facing now. How much you charge? This battery is a dead drain battery, which I got with the with this watch actually. Because if you open any heart rate sensor or anything else, it shows battery low. Even if you have charged this watch for continuous 3-4 hours, also the battery backup is very poor in this watch. And other than that, you can see the dials. There are no only this much dials you can use. Okay, the Mickey Mouse, the actual wallpapers which you can see in the original Apple Watch, you will not get here. These are the only dials which you can see in this watch. I'll show these things. Okay, so other than that, if you see, okay, that's it. And if you go to the menu, see the battery is dead. Sorry guys, battery is showing as low. I'll show you the menu. See, this is the menu. uh, okay, so if you see, the chronos are working, so the touch is pretty smooth. Okay, but if you go to other things, it's not like the real Apple Watch you think, because I think it's just a waste of money spending a 3000 rupees 3500 rupees for this thing. I bought this in a combo of the AirPods Pro uh, plus this watch for 4250 rupees, and I got an extra strap also with this watch, two extra strap in fact. And another things which are missing is that in the WhatsApp, the message which you receive you will not get here, and the regional languages you cannot read it in this watch. Okay, so see, so you see. Okay, and if you go to settings also, see, it's just like any other Chinese watch. You can see it's not like the Apple Watch. You can see, so I don't think this is that worth. The apps, nothing, you cannot install anything also. And display, let me see the menu style. I'll go to, this is the display which uh, I personally like, to be frank. See, and in this watch now, other thing is that motion sensor, even if I have switched it on, it does not work properly. See, um it does not come on its own. Okay, I don't know, for some reason I tried many times the sensor. See, sometimes it works. Okay, sometimes it works, in some angle it works. Yeah, see, if you hold it like this, it works. If you hold it like this, it works. If you hold it like this, this same angle you'll have to keep. Okay, otherwise if you hold it straight, it will not work. If you hold it straight, it will not work. But if you hold it slightly slanting, it will work. See, you hold it slightly slanting, it will work. So you'll have to always keep your hand in a slanting position before that working. So that's it, guys. If you want more reviews of this watch, I can post it in my channel. So that's it. Let's you just do comment on this. Another accessories, I'll show this is a charger. Okay, this is a charger which comes with this thing, and this is not that great charger. See, one side it will not stick, it only sticks on one side, and that too not a great charger. It falls off also. See, okay, see, this is how, and it's not that strong enough to hold the watch. See, it's not that strong charger also. And another thing I forgot to show you. See, uh, this is another menu which comes up here. When you slide it here, something should come. Yeah, this is the music control and weather which is coming up, and this is the menu. Okay, and if you slide down, something comes up, and this how in the release date is 2021 March 17, and its device name it shows as Apple Series 6. Okay, so the battery, nothing comes. If you press the battery, this also nothing happens. Alarm, you can add alarms, it goes to the menu style, and nothing else. This is it with this watch. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. And if you wish to watch want a more review on this watch, you please just do the comment. I'll give you more updates on this watch, and actually I'm going to send back this watch to a seller. He told me to send the watch back to him. I told him that the battery is draining in 5-10 minutes, and the sensor is not working properly. So he told he'll have a look, and I'll give the updates after that to you guys. Okay, so if you want more updates on anything else, please